Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Hour. Today, we're splashing into the sea to meet one of the smartest and friendliest animals in the ocean, the dolphin. Can you jump up like a dolphin out of the water? Ready, splash! Dolphins are amazing swimmers. They can swim super fast, almost like a speeding boat. And they love to jump and flip in the air. Dolphins are really smart. They talk to each other using clicks, whistles, and squeaks. Can you make a dolphin sound with me? Hee! Dolphins love to live in groups called pods. Pods are like dolphin families. Sometimes hundreds of dolphins travel together. Wow, that's a big family. Baby dolphins are called calves. They stay close to their moms and drink milk just like human babies do. So cute! Let's play our dolphin quiz. Shout out the answers if you know them. What sounds do dolphins make to talk? Clicks and whistles. What is a dolphin group called? A pod. What are baby dolphins called? Calves. Dolphins are playful and smart, but they need clean oceans to stay safe. Protecting the sea helps dolphins and all their ocean friends. Wow, friends, today we learned so many fun things about dolphins, their jumps, their pods, and their cute calves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing ocean adventures on Kids Hour. See you next time. Bye-bye.